Hi and welcome to this tutorial from emarketing.com. This is the dashboard tutorial, so app.emarketing.com/overview. This is the first view that you see when you sign into your eMarketing account. The eMarketing account is free, so even if you don't have ads running, you can also use this platform. You can also create ads in this platform, Google ads, Facebook ads, even Amazon advertising. So I want to go over quick how this tool works, what you can see in your dashboard, and what it can tell you about your advertising spend. So when you log in here, the first thing you're going to see is this panel. You see your Google Ads information, so the cost, the revenue, and the return on ad spend. And you can manage your Google Ads by going to that Manage tab right there. And you also see your Facebook ads. So you will see your Facebook ad information. You'll notice here that this is disconnected, so you have to activate this account. You should know that you have to actually download your information before you activate this. So you'll definitely want to connect your store with eMarketing. It's really easy. It takes a couple clicks. So underneath here, you see the tools section of this. Tools are the features that eMarketing has made to make your life as an e-commerce merchant a little bit easier. The first one is the product overview. So you can evaluate and manage your products in here, but it also shows you some really interesting competitor data. So I'm just going to click into this, and you can see our store is selling beer, and you can see not only the price that you've listed it in as yourself, but you can also see the cheapest price on the relative platform. So the cheapest price for your Google ads and also the cheapest price for Amazon. And you can also see the top competitor and what they're selling this price as. As you can probably guess, this is really interesting for e-commerce merchants who are looking to outbid on these highly competitive pricing platforms. So we're going to go back into eMarketing, and I'm also going to show you the competitor radar. The competitor radar is a really great way for e-commerce merchants to see information about their competitors. So here you can see, we're selling beer, so there's not as big of a competitor number on here, but you can see your products with competition, your average price difference, and a lot of different information for your Google ads. You can also see your most important competitors, so competitors that have the most matched products, as well as your most aggressive competitors, ones that are really outbidding you pretty hard. You can also see on here it based by product, so which products are priced too high, and you can even see the percentage price difference, which is really interesting compared to what platforms that you're selling on, and even the products that are priced too low, same thing. It's really important depending on what platform that you're selling on. The cool thing here is you also have some automated alerts that let you get emails when a competitor raises their prices or if something interesting happens in your competitor check. So you definitely want to activate your automated alerts there. So back to the dashboard, you also have the Amazon platform there, and these will be released very soon. The Market Analyzer, which helps you look international, so different markets have different CPCs, have different bidding strategies. All of this information is in your Market Analyzer. If you're interested in going international, it kind of helps you make that decision. You also have analysis tools. That's a lot of dashboards and charts that you can make that are customizable. And then the repricing tool, which for e-commerce is probably one of the most interesting ones. Repricing allows you to change the prices on certain products based off of your competitors. So you can make rules to adjust your pricing based off of a competitor on a certain platform or just on Google Ads, and you can reprice your products accordingly. So that is the overall, just a quick overview of the eMarketing dashboard for e-commerce merchants. If you have any questions, you can always go to this little bubble and ask us directly. We have customer service pretty much 24/7 during the week. So thank you guys for checking this out. If you have any questions, like I said, let us know.